Hey everyone! Today, we're looking at Sloyd AI, an AI-powered 3D modeling generator that claims to help creators, designers, and developers build 3D assets in seconds instead of hours. We explored their official site and tested the platform ourselves. So, let's break it down. The pros. First, the speed is impressive. We could generate base 3D models like props, objects, and environments instantly and then fine-tune them within the editor. Second, it's beginner-friendly. No advanced modeling skills are required, which makes it perfect for game developers, indie creators, or even educators. Third, Sloyd offers a library of templates that can be customized with sliders, which makes modeling much faster than starting from scratch. And the export options are solid, supporting formats that work with Unity, Unreal Engine, and Blender. The cons? While powerful, it's not a full replacement for professional modeling software. Complex, highly detailed assets still require manual work in programs like Blender or Maya. Another drawback is that the AI sometimes generates models that need fixing before they're truly production ready, and pricing could be a barrier for hobbyists since it's subscription based. Overall, Sloyd AI feels like one of the most promising AI tools for 3D modeling. It won't replace professional artists yet, but it speeds up the pipeline, especially for repetitive or base asset creation. For many, that alone makes it worth testing. This has been How to Nerdy, where we keep things smart and simple and scam free.